Hi everybody, I hope you had a good winter break. I just wanted to go over the assignments with you guys for this week. Remember, we have this week and then one more week and then the end of the semester, so make sure that you are doing everything you can to get your assignments completed. So first and foremost, you always want to check inbox here for any announcements that I may send you or any emails, and then also check here on announcements. So if we go to announcements, you'll see that we're on week number 8, quarter 2. So if you click on that one, you'll see that we have 5 assignments set up as we normally do. And you actually have 2 due on Friday instead of 1. I pushed back one of the assignments to Friday so you have more time to complete it. So your first assignment is the PFT push-up test. You guys have already done this before, so it shouldn't be anything new, but I have the instructions and everything already set up. I'll go through through everything in a minute. And then you have your health and fitness quiz. So you're going to do a reading, and then you're going to take a quiz. It'll be a 30-minute quiz worth 10 questions. Then you have your fitness log number 13 that I'll go over in a minute. And then you have your mile run, and normally that's due on Wednesday/Thursday, but I pushed it till Friday, so you have all week to complete it. Just in case there's bad weather, try to squeeze it in on a day that there is some good weather. And then last but not least, you have your online video or workout recommendation discussion board, and I'll talk about that one in just a few moments. So just make sure that you are checking announcements so you see the due dates when everything is due. And as always, if you have questions, email me through Canvas regarding any of the assignments, if you need to meet or Zoom or anything. Okay, so if we go to modules, you'll be taken to week number 8, quarter 2. So just make sure that you are watching the instructional video, because you'll notice the rest of the assignments are all locked. You can't open them until you watch the instructional video. So once you've completed watching this video, you'll just go ahead and hit next, and then it will open up the rest of the assignments in the module. Okay, so the first assignment you have is going to be your PFT push-up test. So here are the instructions. You guys have seen these already, just leaving them for you to review once again. So you can watch the video and it'll show you the exact way how to perform the PFT push-up test. Once you're done watching the video, then you can use the PFT push-up cadence to test yourself on your push-up test. And then when you're done with that, you will go ahead and submit your push-up score to me. So you're just going to click this button, take the quiz, and then whatever your score is, you're just going to go ahead and record it. And reminder, you only have 30 minutes to submit this once you click to begin. So for example, if you did 40 push-ups, you're just going to write in 40. It just has to be a 2-digit number between 0 to 75, and then just hit submit, and then you're good to go for that assignment. So make sure that whatever your score was previously, that you're trying hard to beat that score. You're trying to improve week by week, so you get better and better. So that's not due till Friday. So you have all week to do that. And then the next assignment, which is due Monday/Tuesday, you're going to be doing a health and fitness reading. Once you've completed doing the reading, you're going to go ahead and hit next. And then you're going to take this quiz that was created by Maricela Martinez. So thank you for that. And it's 10 questions and you have 30 minutes to complete the quiz. So once you've done that, you have your fitness log to do. And your fitness log is just like the normal one we do every week. You're going to do at least a 30-minute workout. You don't have to record it. Just make sure you write down exactly what you've done. That way, if I were to do your workout, I'd know exactly how you did it, how many reps, how many sets, how much weight you did. If you decide that you want to go out and run, please make sure you are tracking it like a regular mile run, that you're tracking your time and your distance, and you're just sending me that screenshot. I repeat, do not just put, I went out and walked for 30 minutes, because if you're doing that, you're going to start seeing zeros as your grade. I need to see that if you actually did go out and run, that you tracked it. Okay, so if you have questions, please feel free to email me. This is worth 10 points. Make sure you're including the following items: the date of the exercise session, details of your workout, including the exercises, reps, sets, weights, everything like that. That's worth 5 points. The duration of your workout, which must be at least 30 minutes, and your exercise intensity. So how difficult was this exercise? If you're putting a lot of 2s and 3s anything below a 5 or below, make sure that you're upping your workouts. Okay, your workouts should be a little more challenging and they should be a little more difficult as we go on, so you can get better and improve over time. So just make sure that when you are doing these workouts, you're not taking them lightly. Try to challenge yourself week by week. Okay, so in order to submit this assignment, you're just going to go to the blue button here, click Submit Assignment, and then you have all these different ways to upload your assignment. You can do it in a file. If you just want to write it straight to me, you could just write it right here. If you have a URL you want to share with me, if it's on a Google Doc, you can share it there, or you can upload it straight from your Google Drive. So you have all these different options in order to submit the assignment to me. Okay, so we'll go to the next assignment. So those are your 2 assignments for Monday/Tuesday, and then you've got the Wednesday/Thursday assignment. So you've got cardiovascular day. So I did change that up a little bit this week because I know we're expecting rain in the forecast. So you have the entire week to complete your mile run. Okay, if you want to do it early, that's fine. If you want to wait till the last minute, just make sure you're submitting it by Friday. Okay, and then here are your running outside instructions. Okay, so these are how you get your points awarded. Here are your running indoors instructions. Okay, our word of the week is 2021, and then the Metaconda instructions. And in order to submit your assignment, just click the blue button, Submit Assignment. And if it's a file, like if it's a screenshot of a picture, you just choose the file and upload that to me. Or you can send it via text entry. Same thing, website URL. If you're recording, like your Metaconda, the best thing to do is just click the record button and you can record the Metaconda workout straight from here, or you can upload through Google Drive. Okay, so you have all these options to submit your assignment to me, and then just make sure when you do submit it, you just click Submit Assignment so it goes through. Okay, and last but not least, you have your discussion board for this week. So this week, it's basically just a recommendation for a great exercise video or a great workout recommendation for online. So with most gyms and exercise classes being closed, many people have been using different online resources to work out. I know a lot of you guys will send me workouts that you've done weekly, different things, and some of you have sent me links. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity for you guys to share on the discussion board different workouts that you guys like that are from online that other people can gain access to. So all you're going to do on the discussion board is you're just going to click reply, and then you're just going to put a link and why you like the workout. Okay, so make sure you're putting both those things for your information to get your 10 points. And just a reminder, you won't be able to view the discussion board until you actually reply. So once you hit reply and submit your discussion, then you'll see everyone else's replies as well. So that's all we have for this week for the assignments. And like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If you need to meet on a Zoom, just send me an email and then I can send you a link so we can meet and talk if you have any questions regarding any assignments. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good week.